Hello, this is Dave, and in this video, I will show you how to turn this roll-on ball to this Pac-Man figure. How? Let me show you. First, I made sure that this roll-on ball has been cleaned with soap and water. Next, I made some markings to determine where I will place the open mouth and the eyes of the figure. The ends of the arrows I made became the ends of the mouth. I made some adjustments to make the opening of the mouth narrower. I then marked the area that I removed. I also drew the eyes. It kinda looks like Pac-Man now. I used a craft knife to make an opening for the mouth. I then filed the opening to make it look cleaner. Next, I used epoxy sculpt for the eyes. I mixed equal amounts of A and B parts. The clay became the eyes of this figure. I let the clay cure for 3 hours and trimmed the excess clay. This is how the figure looked like before I painted it. I then made a peg hole for this figure. This peg hole will be used for the stand. Now it's time for painting. Before applying the yellow paint, I need to apply primer first. To be safe, I let the paint cure for a day. I painted the inside of the mouth black. I then applied yellow paint on top of the white primer. To complete the look, I painted the eyes black. After the paint dried, I sprayed it with clear acrylic paint with a matte finish. Here it is, my homemade Pac-Man figure. Thankfully, I got it on my first try. This will be the stand for the figure. I got this from a discarded fiber optic cable. I also made a cherry accessory for Pac-Man. That's it. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making it. Now before you leave, don't forget to like the video, share it if you want, and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Thanks, goodbye, and stay crafty.